Hey guys, welcome to Mama Shell's Kitchen. We showed a video a while back on how to make pretty eggs. So I'm going to show you one of the recipes for our pretty boiled eggs. For this recipe we are doing deviled eggs. You will need a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon plus a little more paprika, a tablespoon of mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon of Chohula sauce. Love this stuff. Can't pronounce it, but I love it. A knife to cut your eggs. You'll need a Ziploc bag that we will fill with the ooey goodness that goes inside of these, and a fork or something to mash up your mixture to get it all in there all nice and pretty. So let's get started. Alright, so we have our mayonnaise, Chohula, paprika, and mustard in this, and we've cut all of our eggs in half and scooped out the yolk, and we were blessed enough to have an egg with a double yolk. I always heard that was good luck. So we're going to mash this up and add that and mash it up, but our makeshift piping bag, we're going to cut just a slim hole in the bottom, and that way when we put our mixture in there, we can squeeze it real pretty into the eggs. Alrighty, so we mashed up our yolk the best we could with a fork, and we mixed it in with our ingredients. You're probably not going to get all these little yellow specks out. I ended up adding a tablespoon more mayonnaise to make it a little more creamier. So we're going to put this mixture in our Ziploc bag, and this little gadget my daughter bought me, and I love it. It holds my bag for me, so I can use it to do this and not have to yell at one of the kids to come and beg for their help. So keep in mind we've got that small hole cut in the corner. This is our makeshift piping bag. Alright, so we're going to get that in there and seal that up. Then we are going to try to make them pretty and put it inside. Probably should have gotten the air out of that. Let's do that. Alright. So, we're going to make them pretty, and then in the end, we're going to put a little bit of paprika on top just for effect. So we're going to do that to all of our eggs, then we'll be back. Alright guys, we're going to try to sprinkle a little bit of this paprika on the top, just for pretties. And honestly, I've tried everything as far as trying to dust these with paprika in a strainer, or not a strainer, but a powder bag, you name it. I've tried it. This is the best way. So here we go guys, your southern deviled eggs with a kick. Thank you for cooking with Mama Shell, and we'll see you next time.